Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel. I am doing a vehicle condition video here for Leo, and for everybody else, this is a 2021 Cadillac XT6 with 34,988 miles. Sale price is $35,000. Leo, and also for everybody else, our new car manager has been using this for a demo, and unfortunately, on Monday, a Cobra chicken, also known as a Canadian geese, flew out in front of him while he was driving on State Route 48 and hit the grill there. The grill is on order. It is supposed to be here Monday. We're going to be replacing that. So Leo, if you do come down and you do decide to buy the vehicle, we will make arrangements from there, but I wanted you to know that. Then for everything else, I'm just going to try to pick this vehicle apart to the best of my ability. This was a lease turn-in, and then we bought it from the dealership that took the lease turn-in at the end of, turned it in at the end of January. We bought it in February, right around Valentine's Day. Got a couple small, that might be, okay, a couple small nicks, a little rock. I guess rock chips would be the more appropriate terminology. Can't imagine why that happens, not with our beautiful roads that we have in the state of Ohio here. Do better, Ohio. First rim here is looking pretty good. Dirt from driving back in our back parking lot. So far so good, Leo, other than the goose. Now we do have a little bit of a, it hasn't broken the paint, I don't believe, but a little bit of a scratch there. I really wish my wife would stop texting me while I'm doing this. Second rim's looking pretty good. Little bit of, I don't know what that is. Scuff's not the right term, but it's not a scratch either, but a little imperfection there. And we do have nick there. Let's open this back up. Bit of a scratch there. Back seat's looking pretty good though. Depending on the year of your Cadillac, Leo, this one should be comparable. Looks like it's the 6-seater, similar to the more recent Acadias. A little, actually, you know what? That's just a smudge. That's not curb rash, but a little nickage there on the rim. Seats seem to be in very good condition. I'm not opening it, but the moonroof, which I believe is a dual scape, is in excellent shape. I don't know if that's showing up in that. There we go. Not light, but got a little nick there. Little nick there. Okay, Leo, I found a few rock chips, a few little nicks, no and one of the rims with a little bit of scratch on it. I wouldn't even say it's necessarily curb rash. Overall, I would say the vehicle's in good to pretty good condition. Obviously not garage kept, and I wouldn't not garage kept based off the mileage. You know, it's 35,000 mile vehicle almost. I'm going to get this sent over to you. If anybody else has any questions, my name is Michael Smith. I'm the internet manager here at Bob Pulte. Number's 513-739-5030. Oh, sorry, that's my cell phone, 513-932-0303. That's the dealership's number. You can talk to me or one of our salespeople, or you can ask questions in the comments section, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, everybody else. Have a great day.